Last Tech Guy Johnny Altad here. Short video today. Just a quick unboxing to let you guys know that Johnny Altech isn't going anywhere. Just want to apologize. Watched my video last night. I realized I said graphical unit interface instead of graphical user interface. I was a little bit tired here and there. And also the sniffling. I had a septumplasty back in the day because I shattered my eye socket, and they needed cartilage from my nose rather than taking it out of my ear. So my nose has never been right since, so I kind of sniffle a lot. So bear with me. I'm sorry about that. It's not because I have a cold or anything like that or do drugs. It's just because I had a bad septumplasty, and really they made my nose worse, if anything. But just going to unbox this real quick. We'll see what it is. I'll show you guys, and then that's just going to be it for today. And just to let you guys know, like I said, I'm not going anywhere. So what we have here is a Zome professional tripod. And obviously, you guys know what that's for. That's for my camera. Instead of what I'm doing with my camera right now to keep it stable. I'm not even going to show you guys that because it's just ridiculous. It's stupid. I'm too embarrassed to show you guys what I'm doing to hold up my camera right now. It's silly. But yeah, so ooh, this is pretty nice. Comes in a little bag and everything. Ooh, classy. Not bad for the money that I paid for it. And I got it off of Overstock.com, and they let me pay with that coin that starts with a B. That's why I chose them, because I just changed the little coins around, took some Ethereum, bought that coin that starts with a B, and yeah, cha-ching. Overstock sent it, and yeah, the rest is history. Well, yeah, looks like we got a little quality product here, and we'll get that set up soon, and have more products coming in to make sure this channel continues to get better. And we're gonna get that computer in, start editing these videos, making them even better for you, give you better quality content, because that's the kind of guy I am. And even though I'm the middle class tech guy, you guys deserve high tech videos. And that's all I got for you today. Have a great day.